Orange cats have a certain charm about them. Their glowing ginger fur is as warm and inviting as a cup of hot cocoa on a cold winter-esque day. But have you ever stopped to wonder what makes an orange cat, well, orange? Is it just their fur color, or is there more to these marmalade marvels than meets the eye? In today's episode, we're diving deep into the science of orange cats to uncover the not-so-hidden secrets behind their fiery fur and everything else that makes them so darn lovable. Buckle up, cat lovers, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the wacky world of genetics. First things first, let's talk about the science of color. You see, the reason orange cats have that signature ginger glow is due to a specific gene called the extension gene. This gene controls the production of red and yellow pigments in a cat's fur. And when it comes into copies, one from each parent, it can produce some pretty interesting results. If a cat inherits two copies of the dominant allele of the extension gene, they'll have a coat that's solid red, or what we humans like to call orange. However, if they inherit one copy of the dominant allele and one recessive allele, they'll have an orange and brown, or in other words, an orange tabby pattern, but there's more to the story. Another gene called the agouti gene plays a part in determining whether a cat's tabby markings will be classic, centered, or, you guessed it, random. And here's where things get really interesting. Most orange tabby cats are male. So why is it that we do and see many female cats rocking that classic ginger and black combo? Well, it all boils down to the sex chromosomes. You see, the gene responsible for the orange coat color is located on the X chromosome. Female cats have two X chromosomes, while male cats have one X and one Y. This means that for a female cat to have an orange coat, she would need to inherit the orange allele on both of her X chromosomes, one from each parent. Male cats, on the other hand, only need to inherit the orange allele on their one and only X chromosome. So, if we take a look at the percentages, around 80% of orange cats are male and only 20% are female. And speaking of orange tabbies, did you know that there are actually 4 different types? Classic, also known as mackerel, which has those beautiful swirling stripes. A true mackerel pattern is more common in British and American shorthairs, as well as Bengals. Then there's the spotted tabby, which features spots instead of stripes. The blotched tabby, which has thick stripes that are wider at the top and narrower at the bottom, often found in Persians. And finally, the tick tabby, where each hair has multiple colors giving it a ticked appearance. These can be found in Siamese and Oriental cats. Now, let's talk about something a little bit darker. Orange cats have a reputation for being associated with certain health issues. For example, they're more prone to conditions like hyperthyroidism and diabetes. But don't worry, ginger lovers, we've got some good news to balance it out. Studies have also shown that orange cats may have a lower risk of kidney disease, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. Just remember that every cat is an individual, and these are just general tendencies. So be sure to give your orange buddy plenty of love, a balanced diet, and regular checkups to keep them purring like the little engine that could. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the science of color to the percentages of orange tabbies, but here's the real takeaway. Orange cats are special not because of any supposed health issues or quirky behaviors, but because of the unique genes that make them one of a kind. So, the next time you look into the mesmerizing green or golden eyes of an orange cat, remember that what you're seeing is the result of millions of years of evolution and a whole lot of genetic love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share it with your fellow cat lovers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.